Adar Poonawalla, the chief executive of Serum Institute of India, SII, has warned there won't be enough vaccines against the coronavirus disease, COVID-19, for everyone in the world till the end of 2024, according to a report on Monday. The CEO of the world's largest vaccine manufacturer has estimated that the world will need around 15 billion doses of the COVID-19 shot if it is a 2-dose vaccine. It's going to take 4 to 5 years until everyone gets the vaccine on this planet, Poonawalla told the international daily newspaper. The Pune-based pharma firm has partnered with 5 international pharmaceutical firms, including AstraZeneca and Novavax, to develop a COVID-19 vaccine and committed to producing 1 billion doses, of which it has pledged half to India. Poonawalla's remarks came a day after Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan said a vaccine against the coronavirus disease would be ready by early next year. On Serum Institute of India's word to produce 1 billion doses, he said that the commitment far exceeded the capacity of other vaccine producers. I know the world wants to be optimistic on it, but I have not heard of anyone coming even close to that level right now, he told the Business Daily in a video call from London. The international daily newspaper reported that as part of Serum Institute's agreement with AstraZeneca, the firm will aim to produce vaccine doses that cost around $3 for 68 countries and under its agreement with Novavax, for 92 countries. The company may also partner with Russia's Gamaleya Research Institute to manufacture the Sputnik vaccine, according to the newspaper. Last week, human trials of the Oxford vaccine candidate by AstraZeneca were halted after a volunteer fell sick in the UK, following which the Serum Institute of India also paused the trials as it was issued a show cause notice by the Drug Controller of India. The trials, however, have resumed in Britain. After the human trials of the Oxford vaccine resumed in the UK late last week, Poonawalla had tweeted, as I mentioned earlier, we should not jump to conclusions until the trials are fully concluded. The recent chain of events are a clear example why we should not bias the process and should respect the process till the end.